In this video, I'm going to go over the menu bar page menu. This will be a quick one. So the first one we have is add a page. I can give it a name if I want, change the color of the little page, and click OK. I can go to page and delete that layer. It is highlighted down here. It's a different color than the rest. So I can delete that page. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. And then page properties. This tells me that the name of this page is shapes and the color is blue here, as well as the layer over here is blue. Click OK. Page, menu bar page, and shapes. Those are my two pages that I have down here. Okay, that's it for the page menu on the menu bar. Thanks for watching.